This is one of several videos from my bridal shower brunch video series. I'm going to show you how I made this rosewater infused strawberry and creamy yogurt parfait. It has all of the ingredients that everyone is familiar with, but with a hint of the exotic flavor of rosewater. I'm using strawberry jam and granola that I made with rosewater, and I'll leave a link for those recipes in the description of this video, but you can use store-bought ones if you like. I started off by whipping some heavy cream in a large bowl to thicken it a little bit. Then I added some plain Greek yogurt to it. And now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of rose water. I added 1/3 of a cup of room temperature strawberry jam to it, but you can add more or less depending on how sweet you like it to be. I like to see some chunks and ripples of strawberries, so I didn't overly mix it. Now you can transfer it over to a cup and top it off with fresh cut strawberries, granola, and shaved white chocolate. If you like to prepare things ahead of time, you can make the yogurt mix the day before and just add the toppings before serving it. And that's also going to prevent the granola from getting too soggy. Thanks for watching. If you need any bridal shower essentials, I invite you over to my shop at www.antheacollection.com.